show you my first ever project based on IoT, that is home automation system. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Sani and I am pursuing BTech in computer science. Okay, now let's start. Firstly, I like to introduce you the component of my project. This is ESP32 microcontroller module which I have programmed to do some tasks like what to do, when to do and how to do. This is 2-channel relay module which is electrically operated by an electromagnet. And here's a switch to control power supply, and this light indicates whether our ESP32 connected to internet or not. And when relay 1 is on, this light will start glowing. And if relay 2 is on, this light will start glowing. And here we 2 switches to control the electrical appliances manually. We have 3 options to operate electrical appliances in this model. The first option is these 2 switches. Through these 2 switches, we can switch on or off fan or light manually. And second option is to operate via mobile application, which I have designed using Blink user interface service. There is 2 buttons, one is for light and another one is for fan. Third option is Google Assistant. Hey Google. Now I will demonstrate you how this method actually works. Now as you can see, I am using this application which I have designed by using Blink user interface service to control electrical appliances. Now I am turning on the light switch in the mobile app. You can see the relay 1 turn on, which is connected to all the lights in my model, and all the lights start glowing. Same for the fan. As I turn on the switch, the relay 2 turns on, which is connected to the fan, and fan will get stuck. As I mentioned previously, that the electrical appliances can also be controlled manually by these 2 switches. Here as I turn on this light switch, you can see the lights get turned on. Along with this, we get live feedback on our mobile app. Same for the fan. As we turn the switch on, the fan gets turned on. Along with, we get live feedback on our mobile app, whether the electrical appliances is on or not. Now moving on to the last option, in which we will control our electrical appliances via Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn on the light.
Switching the light on.
As you can see, the lights get turned on. Hey Google, turn off the light.
Switching off the light.
As you see, the lights get turned off. Hey Google, turn on the fan.
Switching on the fan.
As you can see, the fan get turned on.